Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye, and we are the RC Sailors. I want to first take a minute and say thanks to everybody that tuned in to our live video just a few days ago. It was amazing. We had a huge turnout. I honestly thought if we got 40 or 50 people that it would be successful. But at one point in time, over 600 people tuned in live. And to those of you that did, thank you. And a huge thank you to all of our what's it called? The Super Chat. Everyone that donated through that, you're amazing. Thank you so much. And to those of you that can't but wanted to, thanks for watching. And even if you couldn't tune in live, we appreciate the support. It's just, it's been overwhelming. And we missed a couple days of uploading because I've been out chopping firewood to get ready for next winter.
And I've been sleeping and doing taxes.
when the opportunities arise, we gotta jump on them. So we apologize for not having any videos out. But anyway, we have something that looks very promising. As a matter of fact, I've already flown one of these. We went to visit my sister and brother-in-law in Columbus, and we brought them one of these just to say thanks for letting us stay with them. We got the white one and we got the black one, but it is the Syma X21. They make a Wi-Fi version of this, but if you just get the non-camera version, which is the one that we have, it's about $25. Flies great, I can already tell you because I've flown hers, and my sister, she's new to flying, so I wanted to get her something that was easy to fly, that she could fly inside, and also big enough to fly outside in their backyard. And this is the perfect fit for that. It's got prop guards built in. The only way you can remove those is to take the drone apart or to chip, like to cut those off. So those are on there for good. And it does come with really everything you need for $25. You have your USB charge cable. It charged in about a half hour. It comes with a 380 milliamp LiPo battery, one cell. It's 3.7 volts. I've never seen him do that.
That's a first.
That's a first. He really wants this. Like he's praying. He's ready to go. It comes with a transmitter, and we see a lot of drones these days that fly from your phone, and most of us that have flown a drone either with a transmitter and then tried with your phone, we all agree that we like the transmitter more. This is a nice low profile transmitter, and what do I mean by that is there are no crazy amount of buttons on here. See?
I like that.
Yeah, I do too. It's not like 20 buttons on the face. There's only 2 joysticks and a power button. You have 4 buttons up top, and that is your photo video if you get the one with a camera. This one does not have the camera. And you have a auto takeoff on land because this has altitude hold. It has a flip button, and then you just click the right stick for rates. And if you need to trim, you click the left stick and then give it the direction. So that's how that works, and it's a really nice setup. I like it a lot. And again, I've already flown this, so I can say firsthand now already, even before flying it for you guys, and I like it.
And our version is the one with the light, but there is a camera version, so we'll link that in the description box below for you all.
And they have a black one and a white one. The instructions are very nice. They get the job done, and it's actually better English than most of these cheaper drones. Big instruction manual. They have the QR code in there if you do get the camera version. This page is the instructions to tell you what the buttons do. It's a good button layout. I give that 2 thumbs up. And then it comes with 4 spare props and a bright orange screwdriver. I like the screwdriver. It's a bigger screwdriver, and I've probably got 1,000 of these sitting around. I used to kind of complain like, how many screwdrivers do you really need? But honestly, I prefer to open the box and there be one in there than have to go find a screwdriver. So
I remember the days we used to just laugh about it.
Yeah.
That we use them all the time.
This is a good one. I keep 2 of these on my desk.
Because the handles are bigger.
And so it works a lot better than those tiny cheap plastic ones. So anyway, $25. We'll have it linked in the description box below. I just want to fly this for you guys and show you that it's a great little drone. And I think it's a winner if you want to fly something inside and just out in your yard. This is perfect. So let's get this in the air.
Snap out of it. Snap out of it. Snap out of it.
Popeye. Reality. Popeye's so excited. I think that if he could physically fly drones, he definitely would. There's a lot that I like about this drone. It's got lights that I didn't mention. The front headlight is super bright, and rubber footies on the bottom means for nice solid landings when you're flying inside. We'll fly this inside for a minute, and then we'll probably step outside because it's not too bad out today. It's kind of calm and we'll see if we can get this in the air and let Popeye chase it around the yard some, because as I say, this is perfect for flying, I think, inside and just a backyard type of flyer. So power on the drone first. It's going to blink, waiting for us to turn this on. When we turn the transmitter on, it should go throttle up, down, and it's bound. So you get solid lights. We have an auto takeoff button. We're going to do that. He's going to bark for a minute, so we'll turn him down, and then we'll turn the music up until he's done barking. Alright, I think he's done barking. As you can see, the lights look really good. I hope you can tell that. And it's not too loud. It probably sounds a little bit loud through the camera there, the video you're watching, just because all drones do sound a little bit loud inside, but this one's not bad.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet.
I love the lights. When you're looking at them from a certain angle, they look really good. And that headlight is so bright. I'm not touching the throttle at all. I'm just barely touching the right stick to help hold it in place, because it does need to be trimmed back a hair, but not enough that it's annoying to fight. So Popeye wants to get it. He is so close. This does have the ability to do flips, and it has a couple different rates, so let's test the flip right now. I think it's this button, if I remember right. I think I have to hold it. So you hold the flip button.
Whoa.
Yeah, so that was
Try again.
it. I'll do that again. It likes to climb, and then do the flip, and then it climbs a little more. So get ready for that pattern.
Whoa,
Okay.
and it goes forward too.
Well, that was pretty wild. I'll do it one more time. Yeah, it does. It kind of shoots forward. So let's test the auto land, and then we'll do the other features out in the yard. So I hit auto land, and I'm helping steer it down, and that was just spot on. So I'm just going to pick this up and take it outside, and we'll fly in the yard, let Popeye chase it around some. Alright, let me fly down a bit. It looks like I'm flying close to the power lines, but it's actually very far away.
Yeah.
And hopefully Popeye's not too loud, but he just is so happy to be outside chasing a drone. Let's zip it around some. Now there's our wind, but that's in the lowest rate, I think, and we're doing okay in the wind. See what I mean about this being just a great little backyard size flyer? Yeah. And look at the grass. It's already growing. Like 3 or 4 days ago I mowed it, and it's just so hard to keep up with everything.
We need the Bermuda to start growing now. It's still brown.
Yep. Got a half and half yard here.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Okay, let's try the higher rate. Clicked the right stick, and now should be able to fly a little faster and really fight those winds.
See if Popeye can keep up.
Oh no, not now. I'm really fast now. Oh, he's quick. Yeah, he's keeping up really well. Come on, buddy. Yeah, he is so happy to be out. Oh, there's the tree. He's still going. I'm surprised. Surprised he hasn't lost interest. So I'm really... Oh, there,
he got it.
He nipped it. Good job, buddy. Oh, love that little dog. Well, this is a great drone. It's easy to fly. I like the simplicity of the transmitter a lot. The simple look, not a lot of confusing buttons. It hovers really well. This is just a great drone to learn to fly on. It's slightly bigger than our Fury BF-36. Those style of drones, the Eachine little guy. What is it, the E013? Or what is the Eachine?
The little one?
The little Eachine.
010?
Yeah, sorry, I got the name wrong. Just so many numbers and things. This is the Syma X21, and it is just a great little drone that is slightly bigger than those mini Whoop style drones, and makes it easier to see flying in the yard. So good, almost the perfect size to fly a little bit inside as long as you have enough space, and then take it out and fly it in the yard on a nice evening like this. It's a little chilly, so we won't be out here very long. I do want this battery to go down though, so you guys see the full flight. That's the idea here. That's why I'm still flying it around.
Popeye says, go faster.
Okay, all right. Come get me, buddy. Come on. It's got to be getting low.
It's such a good flyer, isn't it?
It's really good. Yeah, I'm sorry that you're not flying it. Abby has a bit of
I've
early...
had allergies.
There's the tree. Oh, gosh.
Oh.
Oh, I'm down. And I don't have my shoes on.
Popeye, get it. Get get it, Popeye. Come on, bring it here, Popeye. Come on. He picked it up. Popeye, bring it here. Come on. He keeps picking it up.
Popeye, bring it here, buddy. Come
on.
Come here. Come on. Come here. Please bring it.
So what we were saying was I've been dealing with allergies for the last week and a half now, so it's been kind of frustrating.
This is, I like that it shuts down when you hit something, so it saves your motors. It's not gonna burn up your motors. I really like that. Great beginner drone. This is just something that if you've been on the fence, like, do I wanna buy a DJI Phantom? Do I wanna buy a Mavic or something like that? But I don't know how to fly a drone. Trust me, a $25 investment like this is going to teach you so much and just be fun. Even if you have a Mavic or a Phantom or an Inspire or even a Spark, flying something like this is just way more enjoyable than flying that expensive drone because, you know, if I crash this into a tree and Popeye starts gnawing on it, it was $25. Not $1,000 or more. You know, it's okay. Now the light's blinking. I'm going to land it. You see our blinking lights.
You should catch it.
Even outside, it's easy to see. Good job, buddy. Good job, Pops. Land.
Good flight.
Oh, that was great. I really like that. Syma X21 is just a really good beginner drone, but even if you're a person like us that has flown hundreds, maybe even 1,000 drones already, this is still a really nice drone. It's just a good one to have for if kids come over and I want to let them fly a drone and I don't have to worry about it. This is a great one for them to fly both inside and out in the yard. I can teach people to fly with this, and it's just a good one to add to the collection. This is a home run. It's simple. It doesn't say that it does a lot of things that it struggles to accomplish, and I like that. It says it's got simple features and those features work, and for me that means it gets 2 big thumbs up. It's almost perfect. So the only thing that could be better is a slightly longer flight time, but I think we can say that with all batteries of all drones and cell phones and everything. I wish battery technology would just keep up with the other technology. Anyway, we'll have a link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to everybody that tuned in to our big announcement video. And if you missed it, you should definitely go check that out because it's a pretty huge announcement for us. I'm not even going to say it in this video just in case you missed it. So we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!